Rightio, welcome to another day in paradise. It's a hot one out there. This is just a very quick update because I've been a bit slack for the last 2 or 3 weeks. Been busy with work and stuff, so that's all right. What I'm doing here is last time we left, we had a engine that was running, which is good. I've got a few little bugs to work out with it. I have a misfire at idle, something to do with interference on my crank sensor line. Being a VR sensor, they're prone to have interference. Working through that, I've got a hall sensor coming for it instead of a VR that plugs into the same hole in the engine block, so hopefully that will sort that out. We are getting there in terms of engine running properly, so I've just got to work out a few little bugs, but it's all good. The main thing is what I've done recently is I have put a gear stick in it. It is the original gear stick up on a pedestal that goes over the pipes. I have made a firewall out of aluminium that is sealed in place. It's bolted and screwed into position, and it's grommeted where the pipes go through, grommeted nice and tight. And now I have to make a lid for the removable lid off and on. This here can come in and out if it has to, this firewall, but it's sort of semi-permanent. I don't think there's a need for it to come in and out, so I'll just leave it as is, I'd say. Give everything a clean up. The gear stick is all good. It's the factory box, it's the factory assembly, and it has I don't know if you can see that. Oops. It has a proper knob on it with the gears in the right place. And I will move this pipe out of the way. I've had both cables come in from this front side, and they do their bizzo. One's set, this one here is set in position. There's no adjustment on it at all. I didn't think there was any need to, because I mean, forward is forward and back is back, and that's it. This sideways one here though, I have made that adjustable because it's sort of a little bit finicky in terms of just getting everything sort of in the right place in terms of reverse, especially compared to first. So I'm just working through that. It's all solidly mounted, and the cables, I don't know if you can see them, they all seem to work alright. It's nice and smooth, so we'll see how it goes. Just seems simple having them both come out the front like this in the same area. And I've got the coolant lines all done underneath the car. You can see one there, there's one over there. And this, obviously that bit of pipe there is going to go onto the front of the turbo and feed itself down into the guard area, vent area there. I've got a massive air filter for it. It'll fill up that whole space. I'm just going to put it there for now, and eventually I will seal it and box it up to feed from that scoop nicely in a sealed up sort of way. So and the pedestal is for the gear stick is just 3mm aluminium folded up. It's okay. I've put a little stay on it to sort of help support it a bit. I've had to chop out the side of that area there where the pipe runs past, because that piece of aluminium is not parallel with the tunnel. It is sort of tilted inwards because of the bolt hole systems that it has, which is fine because it gives me more room for my handbrake. We have repositioned my handbrake at the front there, which works good. So everything's looking pretty good, everything works. So it's just a matter of going through everything. I may obviously have to chop that gear stick down, make it a little bit shorter, but I thought, well, I'll just try it for now first and see what happens. It might be alright, it might need to come down a bit, but it's all working pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I've got gears, I've got a clutch. the thing could possibly start and run and drive, but I don't have my axles yet. Still haven't got them. The dude's been on holiday, so it's fine. Hopefully by the time I get my axles, I'll have this little glitch sorted out with the computer and the crank signal fault that I'm having, and this hall sensor will fix it. We'll be able to take it for its maiden voyage with this motor, and see if the thing will actually spool up, which I'm still worried about. Yeah, fingers crossed it'll spool, who knows. We can only keep our fingers crossed. So yes, so that was just a quickie. I just came in here. I know I hadn't posted much for a while, and I thought, right, I'll get this posted up, and you can see what I've been doing. Not too much, but we're slowly working through it, and we'll soon have a result, I reckon. So that's it. I think I'll sign off there and we'll be done. Alrighty then, see you later. See you next time. Bye bye.